If you're anything like me that likes to keep every single nut, bolt, and screw left over from any project, stick around and I'll show you how to go from this to this. Every time I went to the hardware store searching for a specific screw, nut, and bolt size, I was envious at the thread checker they had hanging in the hardware aisle. It made it so easy and convenient finding the correct size just by threading the screw in the various slots or by matching a nut to one of the raised threads. Looking at the various bins I had full of random size screws, nuts, and bolts laying around in my workshop, I thought to myself, I wonder if I can buy a thread checker online. The answer to my question was a resounding yes, of course you can. If someone thought of it, chances are it already exists. And since the hardware stores have one, my chances increased to a 100% yes. So I get my smartphone out, open the Amazon app, and pick up this nut and bolt thread gauge. So how do you use this? Essentially, if you're trying to find the size of a nut, you try the various raised threads until you find a matching one. For example, this one is a 1/2 inch coarse nut. It will either be SAE Imperial or a metric measurement. There are some screws, however, particularly wood screws and drywall anchor screws, that won't fit in any slots. But what you could do is you can sort them by size using the ruler on each side. You can sort them either by SAE or by metric. Let me know in the comments what method you've used in the past to get all of your fasteners organized. And if you pick up one of these thread gauge checkers, let me know what you think of it. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you purchase the thread checker using the link below, it'll help me continue to make great content. Thanks. If you found this video informative or helpful, hit the thumbs up. That way it'll be recommended for other viewers so that they can get great recommendations from my channel. Thanks for watching.